Hey designers, in this video, I'm gonna challenge 50 different logo generators to see which one comes out on top. A lot of logo designers are scared in the industry that AI will take their job, but let's really see if it can produce high quality logos. So for the design brief, I've gone ahead and created a name. It's called Mindflow. It's a mental health app that helps people alleviate the depression, anxiety, and stress. So some of the brand keywords that we're gonna be using for this brand is gonna be mental health, affordability, approachable, trustworthy, simple, and calming. So first up, we've got HubSpot here. Now it's giving me some icon options. There's a lot of funky icon options here. Now you can always load more, and I don't know if I'm digging any of these, but let's just pick one and see what happens. This is one ugly site. Just gives you a bunch of ugly text. What is this? Welcome to the new logo, guys. Mindflow on fire. So this one, smashinglogo.com. I like these little, how it's got like little buttons. Recommended, choose blue. All right, we'll just go with what it recommends. Mindflow. Okay, what is going on? It's giving me some options. Hey, that one actually looks kind of cool. The text is not as modern, but it's still pretty clean. I think that's pretty good. Okay, next one, logomaster.ai. Select logo category. Personal, companies, communities, businesses. Business. A lot of different styles. Slogan, keywords. These icons look similar to that other website. Oh, the fonts are just ugly. Look at this. Oh well. It just slaps the icon with it and then puts the text. I don't know if I'm digging it, but the green, maybe this one. This looks a bit calm. Search for symbols. Maybe like we go for a ship or something. I don't know. What the? Oh, you got to move it. I want you to generate me a logo. I don't want to do the work here. Center. Okay, that's kind of cool. At least it shows you on these little mocks down the bottom. That's kind of cool. Not bad. Wix has a logo. Hire a designer. No, I'm gonna create a logo. How should your logo look and feel? Modern, formal, timeless. Next. These logos you like better. This one. All right, look what we got here. Hey, that one's not bad. That one's not bad. This one, syringe. No, I don't think we want to inject anyone on this business. Yeah, I think this one. Next, we got logo type maker. Oh no, that one was good. Disappeared. Oh my gosh, what is this trash? Abstract. Triangle bars shape. Design. It's very vague. Like it's not really clear what it means. What the heck? This looks like someone did this in paint. Oh, so you click a love heart and then it... What the heck? I think they're trying to sell me something now. This site doesn't want to work. Logocreator.io. Okay, you're broken. All right, let's go again. Logo pony. I'm surprised I didn't see a unicorn in the logo itself. Business branding, business. Search icons. Maybe you want to go like floral, calm, floral, brand, floral. Actually, let's just go floral. Not bad. There's heaps of different icons. Let's go with this one. Select colors. I like this color. That's cool. The fonts are just not good. The icon and the text just does not match. It's like you have something that's really like handwritten, then you got something that's really like straight. It just doesn't work. I think this one's probably the best one. Adobe Express. Now this one might be all right. You know, you trust Adobe to get it done. Choose a style. Modern. Check your options. Oh, this is just ugly. Like with all the fonts Adobe has, you know, it should be. There's lots of options, which is interesting. That's all they give you. Give you this meditation guide. Mindflow. The further I scroll down, the worse it gets. The colors are ugly as well. Like, I'm just gonna click this green one. So I kept going. I tried so many different logo generators. I tried to get good results, but majority of them were pretty bad. But out of all of them, I had 3 favorites that I did like. Number 1 was from Kiddle, then Squarespace, and then Photo. I think these are the 3 best ones, and so those were my favorites out of all of these different logos. It was a pretty interesting challenge. These logo generators suck, and you can tell there is such a difference when you hire a quality designer. But you know, if you're just starting out, you got no money, using these logo generators is, you know, an option for you. Now with AI progressing so fast, it's crazy to see how it is progressing, and there's probably millions of generators out there. And I think over time, you know, we'll probably get more with AI and it might get better. But at the end of the day, I think having that creative mindset, having your design process, and you know, your research and your skills is what's going to add value to creating logos. So if you're a logo designer, make sure you invest in that thinking and creative process, and it's going to make sure that when you work with your clients that you're going to get a better result than just generating some couple icons and some wacky fonts in a generator, because I feel like the quality is not there. And as they say, you know, just because something's free, it doesn't mean it's better. Usually when you pay a high price for something, it's better quality, it lasts longer. And so that's why I think, you know, I would probably never use a logo generator in my life. And if you do want to watch me create a brand from scratch using AI, then definitely check out this video to watch my process on how I did that.